honorable moderator, respected judges, and my fellow competitors. This is Devanita Das Amrita before you speaking for the topic that is homework should be banned. Homework produces large amount of pointless work of little educational value, but marking it ties up much of teachers' time. Our teachers should spend more time on the lesson plans than on grading homework. They already have enough responsibilities without having grading homework on top of it. Teachers have to work a full day and then go home and read homework. Most teachers are underpaid and they work a regular shift and still go home to grade papers. This leaves teachers tired and with little time to prepare more effective, inspiring lessons. The heavy workload also puts young graduates off becoming teachers and so reduces the talent pool from which schools can recruit. Homework puts us off learning. Studies have shown that many children find doing homework very stressful, boring and tiring. Having that much stress at this young age is not good. Some students are not getting the rest that is needed. Stress is unhealthy and leads to a lot of health issues. Not to mention the stress that our parents have to endure when dealing with getting us to sporting events, bad concerts and plays. There is simply not enough time in a day for a day full of school and a night full of homework. Often it seems like our teachers underestimate how long a task will take or set an unrealistic deadline. Sometimes because a teacher has not explained something new well in class, the home task becomes impossible. So we end up by paying with our free time for the failings of our teachers. We also suffer punishments if the work is done badly or late. After years of bad homework experience, it is no wonder that many of us may come to dislike education and switch off or drop out too early. Homework is a class issue. In school, everyone is equal, but at home, some people have advantages because of their family background. Middle-class families with books and computers will be able to help their children much more than poorer ones can. This can mean working-class children end up with worse grades and more punishment for under or badly done homework. That's all from me. Once again, thanks to the honorable moderator and all the respected judges.
Request the third speaker of the opposition team, that is Farha Islamontika, for her speech.
Thank you, honorable moderator, respected judges, and my fellow competitors. This is Farha Islamontika before you speaking against the topic that is homework should be banned. Homework is also a productive way to pass time. Most of us spend time playing games online or checking notifications on Facebook to see the latest comments and likes. Doing something like homework would enhance our brains, such as math exercises or reviewing problems, which is a much better way to spend time than looking at the latest post in the news feed. This leads me to my next point, which is homework increases one's knowledge. There is a reason why the teachers want the students to review on a subject matter. If we are doing horrible at our test, facing and repeating the challenge is a must in order to prevent future mistakes from happening in our tests. Again, just because some teachers are bad at setting homework, that is not a reason to scrap it altogether. Homework needs to be well designed and should not take up other children's spare time. Recent Amazon surveys found that most students in the USA spend no more than a night on homework. That suggests there does not seem to be a terrible problem with the amount being said. Education is a partnership between the students, the school, and the home. Homework is one of the main ways in which the student's family can involve with their learning. Many parents value the chance to see what the child is studying and to support them in it. And schools need parent support in encouraging the students to read at home, to help with practicing of tables, and to give them opportunities to research new topics. No matter how much one dislikes it, I believe homework is a necessary part of a student's life and should not be taken away from his or her duties. That's all from me. Once again, thanks to the honorable moderator and all our respected judges.